Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a VPN that supports routers and low-latency servers. That choice matters because the Ps5 won't run VPN apps natively. Once done, log into your router's admin page and confirm firmware compatibility, or prepare a PC with the VPN client for sharing. Make sure you have VPN username, password, and config files ready. Now take action. Either upload the config to your router's VPN section or set up the PC's network sharing to bridge the VPN to your console. You now configure the active gateway. On the router, import the VPN config, enter credentials, pick a nearby gaming server, and start the tunnel. Watch logs for a successful handshake. If you chose the PC route, enable internet connection sharing and bridge the VPN adapter to the Ethernet interface, then restart the adapter. Make sure DNS points to the VPN or a trusted resolver so game services resolve correctly. Finally, reserve a static local IP for your Ps5 to prevent address changes. You finish by connecting the Ps5 to the network you just configured, use Ethernet for best stability, and input the reserved static IP if you set one. Run the Ps5 network test to confirm an external IP that matches the VPN region and check NAT type. A strict NAT signals routing or port issues. If games lag or matchmaking fails, try a different VPN server, lower MTU, or enable port forwarding /DMZ for your Ps5 on the router. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.